This simple blend, made from just two ingredients, may seem ordinary at first, but when prepared and used correctly, it becomes a surprisingly effective liquid fertilizer and a gentle, plant-protecting spray. The process starts with around 2 liters of dairy milk, and it does not need to be fresh. Slightly sour or spoiled milk works just as well because it still contains beneficial bacteria. To the milk, add a few teaspoons of molasses. Molasses is packed with natural sugars and essential minerals, and when combined with milk, it provides food for the helpful microorganisms already present. After adding the molasses, seal the container tightly and shake it thoroughly. This helps the ingredients mix evenly and kickstarts the fermentation process, which is responsible for many of the mixture's benefits. Once the mixture is ready, it should not be applied directly to plants in its concentrated form. Instead, it must be diluted with clean water. Typically, 1 part of the milk-molasses mixture is mixed with several parts water, depending on how mild or strong you want the solution to be. Dilution is a crucial step because it ensures the mixture is gentle enough to support plant growth without damaging young roots or sensitive seedlings. One of the most effective ways to use this mixture is as a liquid fertilizer applied directly to the soil. It is especially helpful for seedlings, which require nutrients in an easily absorbable form. Milk naturally contains calcium, amino acids, beneficial enzymes, and trace minerals. When diluted, these nutrients support strong stem development, encourage healthy root growth, and help prevent issues like blossom end rot in fruiting plants such as tomatoes and peppers. The molasses feeds beneficial soil microbes, increasing microbial activity and improving the breakdown and availability of nutrients. Over time, this also enhances soil structure, allowing it to retain moisture more effectively without becoming compacted. Seedlings often respond quickly, showing improved color, faster growth, and greater resistance to stress. Because the solution is mild when properly diluted, it rarely causes root burn, unlike many synthetic fertilizers. It also helps build a healthier soil ecosystem, which supports long-term plant vitality. The second way to use this mixture is as a foliar spray. To do this, pour some of the diluted solution into a spray bottle and apply it directly to the leaves. Foliar spraying provides several added benefits. The proteins and enzymes found in milk help strengthen plant tissues, making them less vulnerable to fungal problems. Many gardeners rely on diluted milk sprays to reduce diseases like powdery mildew, as certain compounds in milk can slow fungal growth. Molasses adds another advantage by supplying energy to beneficial microorganisms on the leaf surface. These helpful microbes compete with harmful pathogens and reduce their ability to spread. The spray can also leave a thin coating on the leaves that discourages certain pests. While it is not a chemical pesticide, it creates conditions that insects find less appealing. With regular use, plants become stronger and more naturally resistant to common diseases. Foliar application also improves nutrient absorption through the leaves. Plants can take in specific nutrients directly through their stomata, and a gentle milk-based spray provides trace minerals in a form that is easy to absorb. This is particularly useful during hot weather or dry periods when nutrient uptake through the roots slows down. The light feeding through the leaves helps plants remain active, green, and productive under stress. An added bonus is that the leaves often appear cleaner and shinier, giving the plant a healthier overall look. The true strength of this mixture lies in its versatility, as it supports plant nutrition, disease resistance, and soil health all at once. By combining only milk and molasses, you create a solution that functions as a mild fertilizer, a microbial enhancer, and a natural disease-fighting aid.